Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to boost Xiaomi scooter. Firstly, firmware updates, a compatible smartphone scooter and a firmware loader app like M365 Donkey. Custom firmware can lead to faster speeds which may be difficult to control in certain environments, so an update might help you boost your Xiaomi scooter. 2. Battery upgrades. A higher capacity battery that fits your model and tools for installation can actually boost the capacity and give you a longer range, and its voltage is high enough, it can also improve the scooter's performance, potentially leading to a higher top speed. Be sure the battery you select is compatible with your scooter model and follow proper safety procedures during the installation to avoid electrical hazards. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.